Hello, good morning everyone. So today I am going to explain one C program which is about initializing the array at compiling time and printing the addresses of each array element. At the same time, the values contained within the array elements by using the pointers. So in this program I am initializing an array of 5 elements, which is an array of 5 integers here, and I am going to initialize with the values given here, as those values are number 10, 14, 12, 35 and 67. So these are the 5 elements which 5 values with which I am initializing the array. So now after initializing the array, I am going to display the address of each element within the array. So how can I access the address of the each element? That is, if I say I underscore arr of 0, that is the first element, so I am displaying. So how can I access the address is by simply if I say the name of the array, that itself is the address of the first element. So whenever I say the address the name of the array, it is the address of the first element. Now if I say arr plus 1, that means it will give me the address of the second element. So like that I can go on displaying the address of any element. If here I am saying arr plus 3, that means it is going to give me the address of the fourth element. So that way I can display all the addresses. Now I will show another example here. So here, suppose here the array contains 10 elements. In these 10 elements, if you see here, so let us assume the first element's address is 1000, then the second element address will be 1004, 8, 12, 16, like that, because each element is an integer. So this is an array of integers. So when I say I underscore a, that will give me the address of the first element. If I say I underscore a plus 1, it will give me the address of the second element. Like that I can go on displaying the addresses of the each and every element. Now again here you can also see how I can access the elements values. So there are, here if you see, I am dereferencing I underscore a plus 0. So when I dereference I underscore a plus 0, it means I am opening up the value within that array element. So because array first element is the address is given by simply I underscore a plus 0. If I dereference, that means I am opening that at that particular location and seeing what is there in that. So that is, it will give me the 29. So like that, if I say star and I underscore a plus 1, it will give me the value within the second element. So like that I can go on displaying the values of all the elements within the array with the help of dereferencing mechanism. So now here I will show how the program is going to show the results. So if I run this program, so let's see, it should first display the addresses of each and every element, and in second it should also give the values contained within the each element, so which are already I have initialized here. We should get these particular values only. So I am going to run this program. Let's see what is the output. So the output is, it says the address of array elements. So address of the first element, that is I underscore arr 0, is this one. I underscore arr 1, that is the address of second element, is exactly 4 bytes after the first element, that is 6356768. That is the address of the second element. So like that I can go on I have displayed all the addresses of each and every element. Now I am also printing the values contained within the each element of the array. So that is, we are using this dereferencing mechanism to get the values of each and every element at that particular address. So obviously here I am